Happy Oktoberfest, everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most popular food from Germany, the currywurst, with homemade sauce from scratch. Let's get started! First, let's boil the bratwurst. Let's boil this for 5 to 7 minutes. Set this aside and let's make the currywurst sauce. Heat up 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let's saute the onion. Saute this for 2 minutes. Add the paprika. Add the ketchup. Add the tomato sauce. Mix well and simmer this for 2 minutes. Now add the apple, the curry powder, cumin powder, and the chicken stock. And this is done. I'm going to cool this down and I'm going to puree this. Let's add a bit of olive oil. This is already cooked, so we just need to make the skin brown. And this is done. And now let's puree the sauce. Alright, now let's start plating our currywurst. And then let's assemble our sausage. Ooh. We need some fries for the side dish. Right. Looks perfect. And of course, my homemade currywurst sauce. There you go. More, because it's good, why not, right? And let's sprinkle this with some curry powder. Let's try the currywurst. Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy, really. I like the taste of the sauce. It's a bit tangy, a little bit sweet. Could be from the apple. It's just perfect. This recipe is a keeper. Goes well with the fries too. And of course, it goes well with the German beer. Cheers!